A cootie is a key that is also called a side swiper. It's a motion where your hand is moving back and forth the whole time. You don't repeat characters on a given side. So obviously if you have a straight key, you're repeating things because it's always in one direction. If you have a bug, you're automatically making dits, but you're making DAW characters by repeating them with your index finger for an O. In the case of a paddle, you hold down for an O. In the case of a side swiper, you're going back and forth. You never repeat that motion. You don't do an O that way. And if you're doing a multi-character thing where it's got dits and DAWs, then you're varying the speed of your side, but you're not repeating one finger over the other. And it's a real brain twister when you're moving from this to a bug, to a straight key, to a paddle. Each one of them requires completely different mechanics. And today I thought, well, I'll put my palm single in side swiper mode and practice for an hour. And I thought at the end of an hour, if I'm only terrible as opposed to really terrible, then I'll continue trying to learn. So I've been practicing this for about an hour this morning, and I thought, okay, I do believe I've gone from really terrible to only just terrible. This video is just to encourage people that if they don't think they can learn a side swiper, give it an hour and then make your decision. Anyway, alright, so again, practicing for about an hour, and now I haven't practiced for probably 10-15 minutes, so it's probably all left me, but I wanted to try to send a quote. And if I can send this quote and it's copyable, then, and I'll go back and listen to this after I send it. If it's copyable, then I'm going to try to proceed to learn to use a side swiper on the air. So the quote is from Steve Jobs, dearly departed, and the quote is, "If today were the last day of your life, would you want to do what you are about to do today?" I think that's an interesting quote and somewhat depressing. So let's see how I send it on a side swiper. Okay, so that was the quote on the side swiper. If you can copy Morse code, let me know how you think I did. But I think I'm going to continue to try to learn to use a side swiper, and maybe in the next couple days get on the air and afflict people with it. So have a listen, and maybe we can work each other, and you can make fun of me. Anyway, that's all for now.